All right, taking a look at this morning's sea fog. This is drone video from downtown Jacksonville this morning showing the fog lingering along the St. Johns River.
First Coast News Chief Meteorologist Tim Deegan is here now, and the question is, how long is this going to last? We used to think about morning fog, but now coming in the nighttime.
Yeah, and it's because it is sea fog. There's a reason we say that. There's a difference between sea fog and what we'd call the normal fog that we get overnight during the early morning hours. In fact, Lee's going to have an explanation about that in just a bit. Thank you, Robert, for those pictures. Now we're going to go and officially, or show you the official observations. And well, you might say, what are all these 9s and 10s? Well, that means at the official observation sites, you can see 9 to 10 miles horizontally. So no fog there, right? St. Simon's Island, 6 miles. Here's the iffy part, especially with sea fog, because it can sit right over, well, the sea or the wider sections of the St. Johns and right on the perimeter. So, for instance, I just showed you the visibility is being reduced at the beaches, and yet at Mayport, now that observation site is about 2.5 miles west of the beaches, and so they do not observe the fog yet. Some drifting into St. Simon's Island, southeastern Georgia. Because of the flow this way, those of you over southeastern Georgia will get the reduced visibilities earliest, and it's going to linger longest. For those over northeastern Florida, will not come in quite as early or linger as long, but I think it will be more widespread tonight and tomorrow morning. The ingredients are there. Yeah, it's not just that it's warm. It's that we have the flow off the ocean, but also the dew points are warmer than the ocean temperature. The ocean and river temperatures in the upper 50s now, dew point 63 to 65 degrees, and that just means at least right on the surface of the water, clouds forming. Now, the more significant event for those of you that don't care about the fog, but what about the rain and the thunderstorms? That's with the front. But remember, this front, although it's productive and it's producing flooding rains as near as New Orleans, it's going to take its time making it to the first coast, and it will be much weaker. We'll have more showers around tomorrow compared to the last couple of days, although most of them will not influence us until after 4. That's why the overall picture for tomorrow I'm showing partly cloudy, and we're going up there, folks, maybe even officially 80 degrees, 74 on the beaches, which shows you a sign of how warm it is coming off that cool ocean. Friday, more widespread showers and a lot of clouds. Despite that fact, morning lows to 62, still going up to 80. May feel that spring break fever on Saturday, although still on Saturday, I think there will be some showers around on Saturday. Showers affecting about 40% of us over southeastern Georgia. If you like those polar blue skies, they'll return Sunday night.